Guys, hi guys, this is Uli with Lightning Clean. Today we're looking at a video that we did. Actually, I did that in our own home, which we're renting right now in Apex. And so here you see the dining room. It's, pretty scratched up. The main area there where they had their table, dining table, I guess. So there is some wax on the floor, and we are going to actually deep clean the floor. And so we do this with our machine, with our karcher. So we pre-spray the floor, and then we work it in with the brushes that are underneath there, and we go over it. And now I'm actually sucking this up. So, and I put the camera there for the first time. I did that, and just so you can just see it's speed up a little bit. And yeah, the floors overall, they're nice, but they were pretty beat up, to be honest with you. So now here you see the water, what's coming out there. It's pretty dirty. And so after that, we started to screen the floors. This is again in the dining room. So you can see some of that there. I believe that's wax. You'll see it where it's very white. And I had to go over that again. I had to actually take off some of the wax that came into this, where the poly is removed, where you see it's kind of gray, white now, and when you take the wax off, it's kind of gray. So I had to go over it again. You see it later. So yeah, I believe this video. So I went over that again. You don't see it in the video, but I had to actually remove that wax there. And then after that, we neutralize it. We go over the whole floor, neutralize it. I give us also a good idea what it's going to look like when the poly's on. So we tag the whole floor, and then after that we starting to put the poly on, so that we make sure that there's no dirt on the floor. And now I'm edging the floor, going over the edges. This is our homeschool room where we homeschool right now. Going around the edges. But overall, I mean, this was, they didn't even pay for that. I did that myself, my own initiative, and it's so much nicer. The floor looks so uniform. It was kind of, yeah, as I said, a little beat up, and it feels great. It looks awesome. It's just a big difference. And for those of you that are not familiar with screen and recoat, it's basically, I would say it's a way of maintaining really your wood floors, because if you do a screen and recoat every 1 to 5 years, in my opinion, unless you have deep scratches from, I don't know, some furniture or accidents, you don't ever have to sand your wood floors. It's kind of like carpet cleaning. You basically give it two new coats of poly, because of course the poly is going to wear down, but it doesn't have to go into the wood. It doesn't mean that it has to go into the wood. It's just, you just do it when you see it's coming down a little bit, it gets too dull, it's worn out. You give us a call, and the only thing is like to get the furniture out. The whole thing can be done in a day. If you get the furniture out, or otherwise we have to move it to one side of the house, and then it gets a little bit more, time involved. So this is what it looks after, and that we already moved in, as you can see, and that floor is not even 100%, swiped. You can see my wife took this one, but that's the area that looked so bad, and I haven't even done a color correction there or anything like that. So it looks pretty amazing for what it is. So yeah, guys, that's what a screen and recoat can do for your floor. Give us a call, 919-907-2321. Lightning Clean Hardwood Refinishing. Thank you, guys. Have a good day. God bless you.